In this video, we'll show you one way to use a hammock and the rainbow bungee rope. We use a Hart Sport bungee rope, like this one. In this position, you can see that the child's laying on their tummy and they're able to pull on the rope in order to propel themselves forward. So pulling at midline towards the belly can help them get a rhythm, build shoulder strength, but also can be very regulating. In this position, they'll be activating their postural muscles, so the back muscles and the neck muscles that are really important for sitting upright if you have therapy goals in that area. This can also be an awesome activity for strengthening ocular motor skills, so using the eyes. You can have the child find a toy that the therapist is holding and then reach out to grab it. And then, of course, the therapist can downgrade or upgrade the challenge depending on the child and their goals.